Jatend migawo mar somo Julius Ogamba koro wacho ni tend migawo mar somo kod riwruok makedo ne ratich jopuonj mbalariany man Uwasu biro lalore mar yudo yore mag dok e tich kendo geng'o ng'anyo mar jopuonjgo. Wacho ni gidhi wuoyo gi jopuonj e wach ng'anyono mondo kik otimre kaka ne gichano. E wach mar chwalo omenda ne skunde ma pacho ka Ogamba wacho ni omenda mowinjore chwal ne skunde odeko kaluwore ni pod ne gikwano skunde gi nyithindo ma somo e skundego. Wacho ni pesa oseur ne skunde 15,000 to moko be ibiro or ka giseng'eyo kwan madwarore.
We decided this term that before we release the capitation for third term, which had already been sent to the ministry, we decided that we need to verify two things majorly: the number of students we have in our schools and the number of schools that we have. And of course, this came about because there was an audit that was done and released by the Auditor General that was indicating that the figures that have been there within the last 4 years may not reflect the correct position that is in the market. So that verification exercise has been going on, and as of yesterday, we had verified a total of over 15,000 schools. What we are doing is we are verifying the number of learners we have in each school, how many learners are in each grade, whether female or male, and then once we complete that exercise, we release the resources to those schools every day in the evening. So that exercise is going on. We've shared with the heads of institutions, and they are aware about where we are.